Greetings! Last time we talked about repair planning and learned how to create repair orders. Today we are going to execute a scheduled repair order. Certain demand and all requirements for the repair are recorded in repair orders. A repair order includes information on the following: materials used and work done, labor costs, and stoppage period of the repaired work center. Before the repairs can start, you need to record receipt of repair materials for a 3D printer. Create a document named Purchase of Goods and Services and add 3 products: consumables, 3D printed roller, and Power Connect 1. Set quantity and price for all the 3 products. Now go to Manufacturing, Repair Orders, and open the repair orders from the previous lesson. Now go to the Materials and Works tab. Add a product named Consumables. Set actions to ship. Now go to the Labor Cost tab. Set team to repair team. We've just filled in the repair team data manually, but for the next period the information of the planned repair will be filled in automatically, according to the data specified in this period. Well done! Change status to active. Now you can use this repair order to create production orders for resource planning. This is an easy way to write off materials and time spent on repairs. Let's create a document named Internal Goods Consumption for writing all the materials. And a document named Employee Output for the consumption of the repair time. Select an employee. Good job! You just consumed materials and time spent for the repair. Now it's time to change status of the repair order to closed and fill in the actual date. Post and close the order. Now you know how to run a scheduled repair order, but sometimes equipment breaks down or malfunctions unexpectedly and you need to perform a repair right away. To record an equipment defect, go to Manufacturing, Repairs, Defect Log, and create a defect registration document. After that, you create an unplanned repair order and follow the repair procedure we just discussed. Let's assume that 3D printer has a defect in its power supply, and the repairman decides to replace the power supply on site. Let's record the defect. Click Create. Set facility to 3D printer 1. Type in short description of the defect. Power supply fault. Set defect kind to electrical facilities failure. Set how to fix to eliminate it on site. Set department to repair service. And post the document. Let's take a look at the defective notes. Here you can provide details by listing defective components of the facility and their malfunctions, but it's not necessary. Next step, we're going to consume their defective power supply. Create a document named Internal Goods Consumption on the basis of the defect registration document. Go to the Main tab. Set company to SBS Manufacturing. Set department to Repair Service. Set warehouse to SBS Central Warehouse. Now go to the Goods tab. Add a product named Power Connect 1. Set quantity to 1 piece. Set write-off item to 3D printer rental. Great! Now post and close. Let's go back to the defect registration document and change the status to fixed. Great! Now post and close. To find out about the equipment status, you should use reports located at Manufacturing, Manufacturing Reports, Repairs. The Facility State Report provides summary on current status of the company facilities. The Repair Progress Report shows progress of the ongoing repair orders. Study these reports yourself. In this lesson, we learned how to deal with scheduled and ongoing repairs. This completes our lesson. Good luck!